Hey, it's Nick here from Greyscalegorilla, and I'm excited to share with you what's new in today's Greyscalegorilla Plus release. Last time we said it was our biggest release ever with over 300 materials. Well, folks, we've outdone ourselves because today, Plus members are getting over 500 new assets, including materials, HDRIs, and models perfect for broadcast design or design-driven product renders. Are you working on an Emmy-worthy project or an eye-catching brand film? If so, this release is for you. Let's dive into the new Plus features. In the world of broadcast design, versatility and customization are key to showcasing your station or brand identity. That's why we've created over 400 new assets to help you do just that. With the new broadcast models, futuristic FUI elements, and a ton of perforated metal materials, you can create epic bumpers, opening title sequences, 3D logos, and beautiful badges. Pair the new embossed materials with Pro Studios Metals HDRIs and finish up in Signal to quickly produce professional broadcast animations. With this ultimate broadcast design toolkit, you'll be creating award-winning broadcast design packages in no time. But wait, there's more. I love saying that. Plus members are also getting a variety of unique and beautiful sustainable materials, over 140 in fact, carefully selected from eco-conscious artisans from around the world. These materials are perfect for beauty product shots, brand films, or abstract simulations. Create enticing product designs, whether you're showcasing products from organic and natural materials or luxurious fabrics. For example, try using crater foam to recreate the recycled sole of a new sneaker, or go with leather to advertise a more high-end product. These unique, sustainable materials will give your product visualization that high-end aesthetic. Finally, we're also excited to announce our partnership with Happy Toolbox. As a part of this launch, you'll also be getting a selection of their unique and stylized 3D model collections to work perfectly with your new assets. Use the new icon models and building blocks to add just a touch of fun to your animations. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Head on over to our blog and get all the details and see what's new in Plus. We cannot wait to see what you make. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video really soon. Bye, everybody.